Hey y'all, welcome back. So before we get started, I just would like to say happy Father's Day to the fathers out there, and to the single moms that's got to play both parts. Happy Father's Day. So we're back on the golf cart. I've replaced all the fuel lines, filters, the air filter, did an oil change on it, replaced the oil filter, and also replaced the carburetor. Everything seems to be looking good. The gas that was in it was really bad, so I went and got a siphon pump and siphoned all the old gas out of the gas that was in the tank. Got it all out. Now we're going to put gas in it and see if we can't go on a maiden voyage.
Thought he was going to hit my truck. That's a good sign. It started. His little flashing yellow thing on top. That's funny. Okay, well, hopefully he comes back. It's smoking. I don't know why it's smoking, but it's smoking. What's the squeaking?
Only you can make me feel this way.
Well, it's running. Taking it on this little voyage, driving around, trying to get it to where it quits smoking. Burn out all that other crap that's in there, that nasty oil and nasty gas. It'll be running all right. Hang on a minute. 5 pounds of sweat out of my eyeballs. Alright, so it's running. It needs a little bit of TLC. Hopefully we can get it back around top shape. I'm going to spend the rest of my Father's Day relaxing, sweating, grilling some steaks. And once again, to all you fathers out there and single parents, great job, keep it up. And if you guys haven't, please like our page. And we'll see you next time. Thank you.